Hello, friends. These days, the words like digital analytics, data analytics, and infographics, demographics, reports, dashboards, CXO dashboards, and spend reports, all these things, these are the terminologies that have been popular during these times. However, one needs to know that you will have to put in a lot of effort at the core, at the foundation of your data so that it can generate the right analytics. Never underestimate the power of the data, with the underlying metadata tied up with that, all the dictionaries, taxonomies to it, all the glossaries tied up with that, and then only you would be able to generate the right analytics. So the approach is very simple. Establish a glossary across the enterprise so that if you have any terms that are similar, that are synonymic, or that are having equivalences, those can be mapped, because you might not have the same terms used across different systems or different business systems or different landscapes. So that's important, which is nothing but the metadata. So first, you establish the metadata. Based on that metadata, you actually clean and harmonize and maintain and govern the master data. Master data is essential thing. Master data is an asset. Master data is actually building the enterprises to work smartly. Master data actually helps you drive your business from data perspective or facts perspective. So master data quality, establish it, and then you would be able to generate the right transactions out of the master data. Even today as well, 9 out of 10 systems are not capturing the right master data within the transactions data. That is the reason that the analytics is becoming a challenging. And if you do not bring in the right analytics, then the decision making would be difficult. So be agile, design the models in such a way that you can quickly build the digital infographics or analytics or the dashboards, because dashboards, it sounds great, but having the right data reflected via the dashboards with the right messaging so that you can make the decision. That's what makes enterprises make intelligent decisions, smart decisions. So transform your business using the data. Transform your business by harvesting a lot of glossaries that are already available in the market within your landscapes and as part of enterprise data strategy. That would help you establish a real foundation for the data. And once you have that, you can generate any sort of data analytics. Now people also talk about data hubs, data lakes, as well as swamps. Data swamps are there, and also data warehouses. Each one has got different meaning, different purpose, different use cases. We suggest a data quality hub approach. You establish this. In case you would like to learn more about it, reach out to us or go through our website. Thank you.